Agriculture is the backbone of many economies, including Kenya's. Let's take a look at the distribution of farming households in Kenya. As shown in this map, it reflects the regional diversity of Kenya's agriculture. And this map illustrates the uneven distribution of cellular data services across Kenya, with coverage concentrating around the major cities, especially Nairobi and Kisumu, while remote areas remain underserved. In these remote areas, reliable internet access and smart devices are often scarce. Most farmers rely on basic feature phones, which limits their ability to effectively manage crops and livestock. As a result, they frequently turn to local sources for guidance and support. Moreover, the farmers in remote areas face numerous challenges that hinder their productivity and sustainability. These challenges include limited access to reliable information on best farming practices, pest control, weather patterns, market trends, and much more. From a personal need, the idea of FarmA was created to leverage artificial intelligence to provide tailored solutions to farmers regardless of their location or access to advanced technology. So any farmer with a feature phone via USSD or unstructured supplementary service data will be able to use FarmA either via an SMS or a call. Let's now discuss the practicality and viability of FarmA. We think FarmA is feasible because of many factors. One of them is the technological advancement. The recent progress in natural language processing, machine translation, and data storage solutions makes the development of our solution viable. These tools can be used to train and fine-tune a speech recognition model on local language dataset that understands farmers' queries in their local languages and provides accurate responses. Our solution will be designed to function offline or via low-bandwidth solutions, such as USSD, the unstructured supplementary service data, making it compatible with feature phones. This adaptability ensures that farmers without smartphones or reliable internet can access FarmA. Additionally, for our solution, FarmA, engaging with local farmers and associations throughout the development process is crucial to ensure that the platform addresses the specific needs of its users. For example, partnering with local stakeholders, such as farmers' associations or individuals already embedded within farming communities, will enable us to tailor the solution and gather valuable insights. Now that we've outlined the key feasibility aspects of FarmA, let's shift our focus to the targeted impact. One of the key impacts is improved accessibility, empowering farmers to effortlessly access crucial information and knowledge, equipping them to more effectively tackle agricultural challenges. And also, FarmA is a cost-effective solution. It provides valuable agricultural insights without the need for advanced smartphones or reliable internet connectivity. And also, it offers customized farming solutions designed to meet the unique needs of each individual farmer. And then it brings us to localization, overcoming language barriers by providing solutions in the local languages spoken by farmers. And finally, the economical and agricultural impact by providing real-time, tailored advice on best farming practices, pest control, and weather patterns. Farmers can make informed decisions, boosting agricultural output and profitability. As we roll out FarmA, ethical considerations are at the heart of our solution. The risk of collecting and analyzing voice data from farmers. We will explicitly ask for consent before recording any voices and provide clear information about how the data will be used. To further safeguard privacy, we will anonymize the recordings, ensuring voices cannot be traced back to individuals. And to address the risk of data privacy and protection, we will work closely with legal experts to ensure full compliance with data protection regulations. One challenge that can arise when using AI models is hallucination when the system generates information that is inaccurate or misleading. To mitigate this risk, we plan to implement a factuality score, a system that ranks the accuracy of responses based on verified data. This allows us to ensure that the information farmers receive is not only helpful but also factually correct. The platform may struggle to recognize different accents or dialects, leading to biased responses. Using advanced natural language processing tools and extensive model training, we will ensure the platform accurately understands a range of accents and speech patterns. By incorporating community-driven data, we'll continuously improve and fine-tune the model, ensuring inclusivity for all users. Now let's outline how we plan to bring FarmA to life, making this vision a reality. The first step is to engage directly with farmers and agricultural stakeholders to understand their specific challenges and needs. Conduct surveys, interviews, and field visits to customize the solution based on local languages, crops, and practices, and also partner with farmers' associations and community leaders to gather insights and validate the project's relevance and feasibility. We'll share more about this later in the video. The second step is then the design and planning. This means to define the platform's technical requirements, ensuring compatibility with feature phones and low bandwidth networks. Develop a comprehensive project roadmap with clear timelines for each phase. Focus on designing a user interface that prioritizes simplicity and ease of use for farmers with basic devices. And the development step includes sub-steps of data collection, model tuning and training, and infrastructure development. The data collection includes local farming practices, crops, and climate information. For this step, we plan to collaborate with the Kenyan Farmers Association, Kenya Meteorological Department, and AfriClimate AI to install some of their weather stations in some local farms in Kenya. Next step is deployment phase, to release a test prototype to a group of farmers to gather initial feedback, to carry out user testing to identify any issues and make improvements based on their input. Assess the system's performance in real-world conditions, especially in areas with limited connectivity, and finally, implement a support plan to resolve technical challenges and ensure the platform operates smoothly. And finally, officially launch our solution to a broader audience, ensuring farmers are aware of its availability and how to use it. We also planned an additional impact measurement and scaling phase to continuously collect user feedback and track key performance indicators, such as adoption rates, usage frequency, and farmer satisfaction. Measure the solution's impact on farmers' productivity and economic outcomes, and based on that, develop a long-term scaling strategy that may include adding new features, supporting additional languages, or expanding into other agricultural sectors and countries. We conducted a survey with about 50 farmers from Kenya, Cameroon, Senegal, Algeria, Ghana, Nigeria, and South Africa, but the majority of respondents were from urban areas. It was challenging to reach farmers in more remote areas, since we couldn't be physically present to collect data for the short amount of time. But so far, the results indicate that over 60% of farmers experience poor network quality, and also the majority of farmers are unfamiliar with agricultural apps or tools. It is wide open, with endless possibilities for growth. As we continue to refine it, we plan to introduce a wide range of features and enhancements to further empower farmers, such as support for more languages and agricultural sectors, ensuring the platform can scale across regions and African countries. As we grow, the opportunities to enhance productivity and sustainability are limitless, like integrating advanced weather forecasting, predictive analytics for crop and livestock management. And with more advancement in the telecom sector, we plan to offer access to new markets through direct e-commerce solutions. We appreciate you taking the time to explore FarmA and in our vision for a more sustainable and inclusive agricultural future. Now meet the FarmA team coming from Algeria, Cameroon, Kenya, Mali, and Nigeria. Thank you for watching.